If this starts in this condition, instantly it's better than the Revolto. The whole car, the whole Revolto had to be put together for it to start. Right, there is a pyro fuse, but no airbags have gone, so it shouldn't have really popped. We ended up putting the jumper pack to the correct jumper locations at the back of the car, just to avoid doing any damage to the battery.
Boost start 7.
So, oh, it's done 23,000 miles, not 30. And hopefully now it's got power, it might start.
That is disgusting.
Oh, this is sick. Look at all this, it lights up. Oh. The Revolto didn't do that. We've got ignition. Who's there? Are we going to do it? Here we go. It's in gear 1. And when I press the start button, nothing happened.